Hi, welcome to Janahita TV. Now, in this video, you are going to learn about functions of the Lok Sabha speaker, and let us see about that complete functions and powers of the speaker. And the Speaker of India Lok Sabha derives the authority from the Constitution and the rules of procedure of the House. Briefly, we can say that is his powers and functions are like this, and he presides over the sittings of the Lok Sabha and regulates the conduct of the proceedings. He can also suspend or adjourn its sittings. And the next one, he pronounces on the admissibility of all the motions, resolutions, and questions sought to be tabled by the members. And he can discipline, warn, and censure or suspend the members for unparliamentary speech or unruly conduct. He can also order that an unruly member be physically removed from the house also. And one more thing is he decides points in order of and his ruling cannot be challenged either in the house or in a court of law. He announces the verdict of the house. Whenever the vote is taken or a division is called before a bill, it can be sent to the president for his assent or to the upper house for consideration. And it must be authenticated by the speaker's signatures also. And he is the channel between the two houses, is also between the Lok Sabha and the president. All the orders of the house are executed through him, and all the petitions and appeals to the Lok Sabha are addressed to him. And next point is he is the supreme head of all the parliamentary committees set up by him or by the house. And next one, he holds administrative charge of the Lok Sabha and secretariat and the parliamentary building. He regulates the entry into the visitors and press galleries and also the lobby. Okay. Next, one more point which is important for that giving the explanation and during the interview time also. At what circumstances can parliament will be dissolved, and at what circumstances can parliament is dissolved? So the parliament. Let us be more clearly. I will tell you about this. The president is empowered to dissolve the house of the people or the Lok Sabha in terms of the article 85 of 2D. The Rajya Sabha or the Council of the State, on the other hand, is a permanent house and is not subject to dissolution. According to the article 83 of 2D, the house of the people, unless sooner dissolved, it continues for 5 years from the date fixed for its first meeting, and the completion of the said period of 5 years automatically operates a dissolution of the house. Next, the parliamentary can also dissolve if the prime minister so advises the president, but it is up to the president to accept the advice or not. So that is we can say about making such a recommendation is a political but not legal right of the prime minister. And one more, in case of the prime minister recommends the dissolution of the parliament and the president accepts such advice, the latter is supposed to ask the prime minister to continue as the head of the caretaker government till such time as fresh elections have been held. New government commanding a majority comes into being, and there is no provision for president's rule at the center. If you satisfy this video, please subscribe and share to others. Thank you.